Welcome to Auto Supercars in-depth review of the 2025 BMW M3, a vehicle that seamlessly blends performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. This latest iteration of the M3 continues BMW's legacy of high-performance sedans, bringing new innovations and refined driving dynamics to the table. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M3 is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, producing 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque in the standard model. This setup allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. For those seeking even more power, the M3 competition variant boosts output to 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, reducing the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to just 3.8 seconds. The standard model comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, catering to driving purists who crave a more engaging experience, while the M3 competition is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for seamless shifts and faster acceleration. The M3's rear-wheel drive layout ensures precise handling and a dynamic driving experience, with an optional X-Drive all-wheel drive system available in the competition model. This intelligent system enhances traction and stability, making the M3 more capable in various driving conditions while still allowing for rear-biased handling when desired. The adaptive M suspension and variable ratio steering contribute to exceptional cornering performance, ensuring that the car remains planted even during spirited driving. The 2025 BMW M3's exterior design is both aggressive and functional. The bold kidney grilles remain a signature design element, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the car an intimidating presence on the road. The sculpted hood, flared wheel arches, and aerodynamic enhancements improve performance while reinforcing the M3's sporty aesthetic. Large air intakes at the front help with cooling, while a rear diffuser and quad exhaust system highlight the car's high-performance pedigree. Buyers can choose from a variety of paint colors, including exclusive BMW individual options, to personalize their M3. Inside the cabin, BMW has focused on driver engagement and premium materials. The cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster alongside a 14.9-inch curved infotainment display powered by BMW's latest iDrive system. This setup provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather, with the option of carbon fiber bucket seats for added sportiness and weight savings. Ambient lighting and a customizable digital interface enhance the modern and luxurious feel of the interior. Advanced driver assistance systems come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The M3 competition further includes a track-oriented driving mode that optimizes the vehicle's settings for high-performance driving scenarios. Overall, the 2025 BMW M3 continues to push the boundaries of what a performance sedan can be. With its blend of power, precision, and luxury, it remains a top choice for enthusiasts who demand both thrilling performance and everyday usability. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the M3 delivers an exhilarating driving experience that stays true to its motorsport heritage.